Guys, I'm currently at the ongoing construction site of Orafite road that links to Onitsha Owerri road. See the way I'm sweating. I'm tired. I can't continue. If you look very well over there, think the road stretched down to link to the express. And if you watch this side from here, it heads to the inside the village. So I'm gonna be ending it here. Welcome back everyone to my channel. So as you can see, we are the site where the construction of a road from Orafite connecting Owerri road leading to Onitsha is happening. So I saw this online and I decided to pay a visit. Currently, I decided never to visit for now, never to visit the Aglo to Newe construction, which they have a flag of. So but today I visited this particular part, the road that is connecting Orafite down to Owerri road, Onitsha. So I think this road is a little bit hard to get to, but through some questions and the rest, I was able to locate the road, because currently I don't think the connecting road is out already on the express. I think they are still building it from the inside the village. So this is how you can get to this construction site so far. So once you are coming from Onitsha, from Owerri road, just alight at Emeka Ofo junction, then take keke. If you alight at Emeka Ofo junction, you cross the road, then take keke or bike to Nkwedo, a market called Nkwedo. Once you get to that Nkwedo, the construction site is just there looking at you. So that's exactly where the construction is currently going on. So when I came there, I noticed that some section of the road has already been receiving drainage system. Work is currently going on there. So from the market you can see that work is going on. So some one part of the road are currently under under construction of drainage system, while the other side are still being dredged. So nothing has come in there so far. So and this currently gutter that is going on has where it stops, because guys, it was not easy. I followed this road down to where they currently stopped the cleaning, where they stopped the cleaning by the river. I followed this road down. It was very stressful day for me. I was very sweating. So if you watch the first video, you might not see me sweating, because I was taking a shelter on the tree. So but then I was very weak. I was very extremely weak. So but I had to do this to update you guys on some of the construction going on, even though it's not what I wanted to be doing for now, but I'm kind of trying to update. So let's just wait for the latest updates on the my travel vlogs that is coming on very soon. So as you can see here that at this particular place, I think something made them jumped here and it's still going down. The drainage system has not stopped, because there's a way it stops, then the cleaning continues. But the other side of it, if you watch it very well, you notice that the other side of it has no drainage system so far. So it's just the other side of it that is currently receiving drainage system. And from what I saw so far on the drainage system, they are doing a very good work. But I will really appreciate this work, since it's a kind of village thing. I will appreciate if that drainage system is covered after construction, for more safety, because of children, being that it's a village. So in general, let me talk a little bit about what I witnessed today in Oruku, not Oruku, Orifite, sorry. So this construction is happening in Orafite. So when I visited the village, honestly, I will say that the village is quite calm. It's a very calm environment. Even though I have to gather some energy and some bulbs, to be able to trace this road down to where the cleaning ends for now. So the village is very calm, though a little bit scary because it's a village and you hardly find anybody. So at some point I become scared, like nobody is coming, I'm not seeing anybody. If you check the road, you can see that the road is very scanty. So nobody is coming, I'm not meeting anybody on the road, except sometimes I will be hearing people's voices. But at some point I realized that this is just a village, like my own village. Right now you hardly find anybody in the village, so people have traveled. So that's what I realized, and I push on with my recording. So if you watch in the video, you will see that this is where the gutter currently stops. This is where the gutter stops for now. So from here down to where the cleaning stops, also you cannot see any drainage system again. So the only thing that has happened here is a cleaning. They have cleared this place down to that riverside, down to even across the river somehow, but the across the river, I think, is not full cleaning. If you go across the river, is not full cleaning. So on the process of this storing, I also witnessed something before the river. You get to see a very, very big erosion that is happening within that axis, and I think on their way down they dodged the big erosion, but I don't think it's a very wise thing to dodge it, although I'm just believing that something will be done about it, because if that thing is dodged and nothing is done about it, believe you me, in the next coming raining season, that erosion might cut that road. It might cut it. I'm seeing it. I'm just like I'm seeing it happening already. But I pray something will be done about it, which I know they will never leave it that way. So a very big erosion is happening down there, which you will be seeing it in this video. I may not be talking by then, so you can watch it in the video. A very big erosion, and they dodged the erosion somehow, and I believe that a very tangible thing will be done there to make the road last longer. So after that place, then you head down to the stream, where they have little stream, where I believe maybe a little bridge will be put in place in that area. Across it, you also find out that a lot of work is also going on in that site, like a lot of cleaning, not work. So I think this is where the big erosion is currently happening. If you watch this video very well, you notice that they dodged the erosion. Like, this is the erosion, and they dodged the erosion by the right hand side. So this is the erosion, and the road is by my right. As you are watching this video, is by my right. So they kind of dodged the erosion. As you can see, the erosion is just expanding from the other side. So they dodge the erosion, and they continue with the cleaning. So from here you head down to the stream, like I said earlier, and that is where the cleaning kind of end right now. To at the other side of it, we notice that something like a little bit cleaning is also happening within that area. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do us a favor by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and also share the video to get to a more wider audience. And if you have any contribution to make about this current construction of road around this area, kindly drop them via our comment section. And the only thing I have to say about this video is that when it's completed, I will make my own full submission about the road. But I'll just say, because this is not only connecting road to that Owerri road, so for now I don't know where this road is gonna bust out from, but I know it's coming down to the Owerri road to Onitsha side, but I don't know the particular junction where it's linking to. So until that something is being put in place to connect that bridge. That's when I will get to cross over and see everything for myself. So I also noticed that a lot of farmland was affected in this area. Some newly cultivated cassava were also affected. So, and I am hoping that government, we also compensate them, because in as much as we want infrastructure, good road and the rest, we can also be able to feed ourselves. So it's very, very important. So guys, do have a wonderful day. Till we are meeting again in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments on what you think about this particular route. Thank you guys. Do have a wonderful day. Till we are meeting again. Bye. Peace out.